Want to unlock the secrets hidden within Bybit's trading platform? Let's dive into mastering the order book. First, locate the order book on the Bybit trading interface. It's usually found on the left or right side of your screen, displaying columns of numbers. The bids column, typically colored green, shows the orders from buyers willing to purchase cryptocurrency at specific prices. Notice the price levels listed from highest to lowest. This indicates the maximum price buyers are currently offering. The size next to the price represents the quantity of crypto being bid for at that price. The asks column, generally colored red, displays the orders from sellers willing to sell at certain prices. Here, the price levels are arranged from lowest to highest. This shows the minimum price sellers are willing to accept. Again, the size indicates the amount of cryptocurrency being offered at each price. Pay attention to the spread. This is the difference between the highest bid price and the lowest ask price. A tighter spread generally indicates higher liquidity and less slippage. A wider spread can signal lower liquidity and potentially larger price swings. To visualize order book depth, some platforms like Bybit offer features like heat maps. These highlight price levels with significant buy or sell orders, indicating potential areas of support and resistance. Large concentrations of bids might act as support, preventing price declines, while large ask orders can act as resistance, hindering upward movement. Understanding the order book is crucial for gauging market sentiment, identifying potential support and resistance levels, and making more informed trading decisions. Keep practicing and observing how the order book reacts to market events.